2025 was an extraordinary year for FORZA Laser. A year of growth, innovation, and strengthening across the Americas. More than 300 new clients joined the FORZA family this year. Companies that trusted our technology to transform their production and grow their businesses. Today, FORZA Laser is present throughout much of the Americas, building a community that's growing and shares our vision of building industry. Our YouTube channel surpassed 40,000 subscribers, becoming one of the most watched sources of technical content for metalworking in the region. 2025 was also a year of innovation. We introduced two new machines, the Raptor SE and Ranger SE metal laser cutters. We raised the customer experience to a new standard. We improved quality, organization, and stability, and strengthened our technical capabilities, reaffirming our promise to be the best technical support team in the world. We installed dozens of machines throughout the region, equipment with multiple power levels, high-tonnage press brakes, state-of-the-art welders, bend metal laser cutters that are now driving the production of hundreds of workshops. We were present at FABTECH Monterrey 2025 and FABTECH Chicago 2025, where we connected with the global industry. And we strengthened our international expansion plans. One of the most special moments of the year was our Mexican party in the United States, a gathering that brought together allies, clients, and future clients with Mexican food, tequila, and conversations that opened new opportunities. Thank you all for making this possible. Thanks also to our allies and our team. 2025 was a great year, and the best is yet to come. FORZA Laser. Let's continue building industry.